Hi there friends, it's Stella here. Welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to make this video right now. I'm so excited. This is the best moment of every YouTuber. Okay, so today I'll be walking you through the process of YouTube partnership program and getting your YouTube channel monetized. Okay, first you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hour in the last 12 months. Okay, so this means that you can get your 1,000 subscribers anytime, but your 4,000 watch hour should be in the last 12 months. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of joining the YouTube partnership program and getting your YouTube channel monetized and start making money from YouTube. Okay, but before I go ahead, I would like to ask that you kindly hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell icon so you won't miss out on any of my videos, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Okay, so let's get to the main video. First, you need to make sure you have an internet connection, and then you open your Chrome browser. You open your Chrome browser, you type in youtube.com/account to take you directly to your account. Okay, and then after that you type on channel status and features. It's opening. Okay, I think my network is a bit slow. All right, okay, just tap on close at the bottom right corner. So right here you can see that I've met all the requirements for monetization, and now I'll be able to click on apply now and apply. Okay, so let's start with the first one. Step 1, review partner program terms. Okay, click on start. I'm going to click on accept the YouTube partner program terms, and then click on accept terms. Okay, it's done.